That's for sure mold right there. You can see mold on that. Ew. It's crazy because I don't even like look at this. This is just insane. Ew. I wonder if I can clean this. Like, I have to look up. Oh, I hope these didn't get damaged. This box looks still good. Oh yeah, these are actually still in good condition. I need to like separate what's good and what's bad. Bro, this is terrible, bro. And this is partially my fault too, because there should be. But I don't know how much like I know I didn't make it this messy. Like this is just absurd. Like this is like I have no house training. So I think like maybe the water shifted some stuff, the wind shifted some stuff. But this is just insane. Cause like I don't even remember having my clothes on ever on the floor. Yeah, I'm gonna just have to like wash all these. I also came here because I had some Ed Hardy jeans and I think I got rid of them because I don't see them unless they're just on the ground, which the ground is just non-existent at this point. So this box is damaged. You can tell like the water and stuff. But like some shoes are still in good condition. Thought that was a spider, bro. I was finna be scared. Oh man. Alright, let me double check with these jeans though. But yeah, that's crazy. My V-Lone $1,000 jacket got some. Oh, did these get? Hold on. Oh, these did. No. I think I can clean this though. I think this is cleanable.